Hi guys, I am Justin Rosario, Bachelor of Physical Education course in Metro Dagupan Colleges. So for today's video, I'm going to make a video about what is sliding filament theory. So what is sliding filament theory? Muscles are fibers which cause movement in our body. They also enable the functioning of our internal organs. Specialists claim that the human body has around 650 muscles, skeletal muscles to be precise. Muscles are specialized tissues having the property of elasticity, where each muscle has innumerable muscle fibers. Muscle fibers successively have thin and tiny strands called myofibrils. For movement, muscles need to contract. It contracts when tension-generating sites within the muscle's fibers are activated. This mechanism is explained by the sliding filament theory. So, kiniklaim ng specialist na ang ating human body ay nagkakaroon ng 650 muscles and skeletal muscles. So, nako-contract lang ang isang muscles kapag nagkakaroon ito ng tension. Kapag once na nag-exercise ang isang tao, doon nagsisimula na magkaroon ng tension sa ating muscles. Dahil, syempre, kapag once na nag-exercise ka, nagagalaw mo ang buong katawan mo, may binubuhat kang mga mabibigat, doon nagkakaroon ng tension. Doon nagkakaroon ng contract yung muscles natin kapag gumagawa tayo ng isang movement. So, the sliding filament theory is a suggested mechanism of contraction of striated muscles, actin and mucin filaments to be precise, which overlap each other, resulting in the shortening of the muscle fiber length. Actin, or your thin filaments combined with mucin, thick filaments conduct cellular movements. So, mucin is a protein that converts ATP or ano nga bang ATP? So, ang ibig sabihin ng ATP is adenosine triphosphate. So, ang adenosine triphosphate or tinatawag na ATP, isang energy-carrying molecule found in the cells of all living things. ATP captures chemical energy obtained from the breakdown of food molecules and release it to the fuel under cellular process. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng ATP or adenosine triphosphate. So, ang ibig sabihin ng adenosine triphosphate is yung ATP is kinakapture niya yung chemical energy para ma-obtain lahat, para maibaba lahat yung food molecules and may release nito sa ibang cellular processes. So, mucin is a protein that converts ATP chemical energy into mechanical energy, thus creating thrust and movement. This movement generates muscular contraction and movement of non-muscles cell, such as mitosis and meiosis or the cell's division. Also, actin polymerization and actin-mucin interaction are responsible for movements of a cell across a surface. Actin filaments have mucin binding sites which are revealed when troponin molecules bind to calcium ions in filaments, facilitating bridge formation between actin and mucin. This process is fueled by ATP or adenosine triphosphate, which acts as an energy source. ATP is hydrolyzed in the heads of molecules of mucin, causing a change in the shape of the head and binding to actin filaments. So, ang mucin is isang protein daw at ito ay nagko-convert sa ATP or the chemical energy into mechanical energy. So, mag-create ito ng thrust and movement. So, itong movement na ito ay nag-generate ng muscular contraction. at yung mga movement ng mga non-muscle cells such as mitosis and meiosis. So, ano nga ba ulit ang sliding filament theory? So, this is theory explains the process of muscle contraction during which the thin filaments slide over the thick filaments that shortens the myofibril. So, ang sliding filament theory ay in-explain nito yung process of muscle contraction during which the thin filaments slide over the thick filaments that shortens the myofibril. So, what is the role of ATP in the sliding theory, filament theory? So, ang ATP or adenosine triphosphate ay nakakapag-release ito ng mucin from the actin filaments. During contraction, kapag ginagawa ng isang tao, nag-exercise siya or nakatayo, naglalakad, mucin attaches to the actin filaments. ATP attaches to the mucin head and releases it from the actin molecule, thereby causing muscle relaxation. So, what is the function of troponin? Troponin attaches to the protein tropomyosin and lies between actin filaments. Tropomyosin blocks the attachment site for mucin head and prevents contraction in a relaxed muscle. So, that's the function of troponin. Ina-attach nito yung protein tropomyosin and lies between actin filaments. And yung tropomyosin ay binablock nito yung pag-attach ng isang mucin head and prevents a contraction in a relaxed muscle. So, what is the role of a cross bridge? A cross bridge is the attachment of mucin to actin in a muscle cell. All types of muscles contract by cross bridge cycling. This means repeated attachment of actin and mucin within the cell. So, all types ng muscles natin is nakako-contract ng cross-bridge cycling. So, ang ibig sabihin lang po nito is, kapag once na may ginagawa yung isang tao, repeated lang yung pag-attach nito ng actin and mucin sa ating mga cells, sa ating mga katawan. And all types daw ng muscles ay nakakapag-contract, ay nakakontract nito by cross-bridge cycling.